Hello, everybody. All right, we're getting back to that operation. That operation of put it up. Multiply. And what word goes with multiply? No, it's not sum. But good job, that's add. We got product. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're going to find some products. And this time, our special number factor today is all about just one special factor. And that special factor is, what am I writing? Oh gosh, what could it be? What could this number be? Oh man, you might know, Oh yeah, some of you got it. I think I heard it. 4. Now, when we have a special factor of 4, there's something really special about 4 groups. Go ahead and put up your fingers of 4. There's something special happening here. Do you see anything special coming at you? Oh man, oh man, oh man. If you didn't see it already, oh man. Whoa! We got a double right there, people. We got a double. 2 fingers. Yes. And then we have another double. So 4 is really cool because it has doubles in it. So if you know your doubles, you're going to be good. So who comes to the rescue? The doubles superhero. Okay, so there you see it way back there. There's a 2 flying through. The doubles is coming to help us. So in order to get real good with those doubles, well, you gotta know them and you gotta practice them. So go ahead, dance it up again and try and say the beats with multiplying by 2. Go ahead, come back to me when you're ready. All right, way to dance it out. Hopefully you were trying to say them, okay? Now, in order to be good with those 4s, yeah, you have to know some doubles. And some of the doubles get kind of big. So go ahead, get yourself a whiteboard and a marker because we're going to practice some of those bigger doubles, okay? All right, here we go. Let's start with some easier ones. Okay, some ones that are just single numbers. All right, and you're going to try and write them before me. Double the number 6. Go. 12. Awesome. Okay, double the number 4. Awesome. It's 8. Okay, double the number 7. Cool beans, everybody. That's 14. Okay, double the number 5. Boom. That's 10. Yes, again. Okay, double the number 9. 18. Cha-ching, bada bing. Okay, double the number 10. 20. Okay, feeling good. Last one, double the number 8. 8 and 8. Boom, boom. It's not 18. It's not 14. It's 16. Ka-ching. Okay, now we're getting a little tougher. All right, I want you to double the number 12. Yeah, that means we need 2 of them, you guys. And if you need to, set it up. Add it up. Get that going. Because it's 24. Good job. Okay, so go ahead and say double 12 is 24. Double 12 is 24. Double 12 is 24. I say 12, you say 24. 12, 24. 12, 24. 12, 24. Good job, you guys. All right, we're trying another one. How about 11? Double 11. Oh man, what's that gonna be? That was nice. Okay. 22. Woohoo. Okay, getting tougher. Okay, how about 14? 14. Double it. Get another 14 on there. What are you gonna be at? It's not 24. It's 28. Someone's trying to call in and tell me the answer there. So I go to the next. Let's try something even tougher than this. Okay, buckle up, you guys. Here we go. Let's try 16. Be like, Miss Everly, this is not tough. I got this. Okay, try it out. Boom. All right, why is this one tougher? Because when you go ahead and add like this, you might run into a little issue. So you can pause the video and talk about that. Here I get 6 and 6, that's 12. Oh man, what? I got another digit right here. I got a 10, and I already have 2 10s right here. So really, how many total 10s do I have? I don't just have one. I could actually regroup that up here if that helps you out. That's how we do that algorithm, and I got 30. Okay, so double 16 is 32. Okay, last one. How about 18? Double 18. You got this. Like a superhero. Okay. This one's kind of weird too, because I have 8 and 8, that's 16. And there, see that? That 1, that 10, I can bring it up and regroup it, because now I just won't get 2 or 20, I'll get 30. Okay? All right, we are ready. So right now, you are gonna get a practice sheet of doubles. Yeah, we gotta be good with them, because this will help us with a lot of facts. So between you and a partner, you are gonna practice saying out loud these doubles. So you're gonna have a little game piece, a little game marker that's a see-through game marker. I'll make mine. What color am I gonna make mine? Whoops, I'm gonna go green. Whoops, I am messing that up. Okay, I'm going here, and I'm gonna make mine purple. And I'm gonna make it see-through so I can still see my numbers. All right, here we go. You got yours, I got mine. All right, you're gonna try this with me first. So we start with 4, and I say, double 4 is 8. Keep going with me. You're saying it at the exact same time as me. Double 6 is 12. Double 3 is 6. Now in this next one, I don't want you to say the answer until I snap, okay? Double 8 is 16. Double 5 is 10. Double 6 is 12. Double 7 is 14. Okay, so you work it through like that. You could do this all together as a class, or you could go with a partner, and one person's gonna go first and they get this first line, and then the next person goes and they say it to their partner and they get the second line, and you just keep switching. If you notice, on the back of the sheet are the actual answers. So if that is gonna help you out, go ahead and use it, all right? Okay, pause the video, practice it up. Come back to me when you're done, okay? All right, way to go, people. Way to practice. That's the only way to get better, all right? So now you're gonna grab yourself your whiteboard, and I'm gonna show you a forest problem, okay? All right, so you have your whiteboard, you have your marker, all right? I have on here some yellow squares that are all pushed together, okay, and I have formed one group of 8 yellow squares. One group of 8 yellow squares. This is 1 right here. If I look at the dimensions, a 1 by 8. Okay, on your whiteboard, let's go ahead and make something that looks like this. In math, this is called not just the letter T, but this is called a ratio table. And in this ratio table, we're going to use this to help us with a couple problems. So here we could pretend that this is like students we're talking about. So let's say I just have ST for students, and I have one student, So I'm going to put a 1 here in my ratio table. One student that brought in this right here. Brought in 8 of something. So what did they bring in? Because you guys, for school, had to bring in school supplies. So let's say they had to bring in some pencils. Okay, so one person brought in 8 new pencils. Okay? Now, what is going to happen in our ratio table? I'm going to give you another problem. This is a string of problems. Here we go. What happens to this picture? Boom! Oh, wow. What just happened to it? Okay, so in our ratio table, we did just have one student that brought in 8 pencils. But now we don't just have one student, do we? What are we going to put underneath that 1? That 1 got bumped up to what? This is now 2. It doubled. Okay, so now instead of just 8, we got to double that 8. And hey, you know your doubles. 8 and 8, that's 16. Okay, all right, I have one more to show you. Go ahead right now. Think about in your head for 5 seconds what you think is going to happen to this picture. Don't tell anybody. Just think about it. What do you think is going to be my final problem? Okay. All right, I want you right now to just find someone around you, and you have 5 seconds to tell them what do you think is going to happen. Or maybe you're just listening to someone. Go ahead. Okay, we're coming back together. Okay, here it is. Drum roll, little bit of a drum roll on your legs. Whoa! Wow, isn't it beautiful? It is. Yellow and green. Oh, what fun. Okay, I'm going to put the ratio table again. We started with a 1. One student had 8 markers. Then it went to 2 students, and that doubled to 16. Now what happened? We don't just have 2 students. We now have 4. So what happened? From the 2 to get to the 4, it doubled. So we had 16 down here in yellow, but guess what? That 16 is hanging out up top too. So we just have to double the 16. And we got 32. So there we have a 4 by 8. 4 groups of 8. So there we could have had 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, but we saw there was a double that was hanging out right here in yellow, and another double that was hanging out on top. Okay, we went from a double, see how that doubled, to another double. We got a double going on. So put that marker down, put up your 4. Okay, when we have that special number factor of 4, we have a double and a double going on. And I have a hard time doing that with this hand, but I can do it much better with this one. We got a double, people. A double. So if I go back and show you the poem that goes with 4, 4 is very fast to do when you multiply by 2. Here's a little good advice. Please, just always double twice. Okay? All right, you got this. When we go back to that multiplication table now, we not only know the 0, 1s, and 2s, and 10s, we can now cross out those 4s. Okay? So if I go ahead and I say, all right, we just looked at 4 as a factor. Look at all those other ones now that are gone. Okay, it's coming down. All right, so now you're going to practice with those 4s. And your practice page looks like this. Okay, so if I have 4 times 6, we're going to think smart. And we're going to think double. Okay, so I'm going to have 6 and 6 and 6 and 6. I got my double. And I put it together. All right, you got this. Air high five.